Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad. My name is G. Vijay, Contract Faculty, Lecturer in Computer Science and Application. Computer Science and Application. So, history of C++. History of C++. This is called as a OOPS, Object-Oriented Programming. Is languages. History of C. C++ is a multi-programming language that support object-oriented programming. This is called as a OOPS, Object-Oriented Programming. This is called as a OOPS. Created by Bezran Strostrup. Bezran Strostrup in 1983 at Bell Labs. C++ is on extensions of C programming. C++ is on extension of C programming and the programs written C language can run in C++ compiler. C++ compiler. C language can run in C++ compiler. Okay. Created by Bezran Strostrup in 1983 at Bell Labs. C++ is on extension of C programming and the programs. Compiler with C++ in C++. The development of C++ actually began 4 years before. The development of C++ actually began 4 years before its release in 1979. Before 4 years before its release in 1979. It did not start with the name C++. Did not start with the name C++. Its first name was C with classes. First name was C with classes. First name was C with classes. This is a history of C. It's introduced in 1983 at Bell Labs in C++. Is on extension of C++. Okay. Right. Next. In the late part of 1983, C with classes was first used for AT and T is internal programming needs. Its name was changed to C++. Okay. C with classes was first used for AT and T is internal programming needs. Its name was changed. To C++. Later in the same year 1983. Later in the C++. Later in the same year 1983. It is of course also used to a wide range of other application domains. Notable a graphical programming, C++ support inheritance through class derivation, dynamic building provided by nature a class function. Wide a range of other applications domains, notable graphical programming in C++, support inheritance. C++ support inheritance. So this is the history of C++. Introduced 1983 C++. Right. And next topic, C and C++. Different between C and C++. C is a procedural language. C is a procedural language. C++ is non-procedural object-oriented language. C is a procedural language. C++ is a non-procedural object-oriented language. Non-procedural object-oriented language. This is called as C++. C top-down approach is used in programming design in C. Top-down approach is used in programming design in C. Programming design in C. Bottom approach adapted in programming design. Bottom approach adapted in programming design. Programming design in C++. Multiple declaration in global variable are allowed. C is a multiple declaration of global variable are allowed. Global variable are allowed. C++. Multiple declarations of global variable are not allowed. Global variable are not allowed. Global variable are not allowed. C. Multiple declarations of global variable are allowed. C++ multiple declarations of global variable are not allowed. Okay. C requires all the variable to be defined at the string of scope. C requires all the variable to be defined that the string of scope. C++ all the declaration of variable anywhere in the scope, that is at a time its first use. That is at a time its first use. In C++, declare variable anyway in the scope. In C++. In a C, Malco and Calco function are used for memory allocation. The free functions for memory deallocating. The free functions for memory deallocating. In C++ now and delete operator are used for memory allocating and deallocating. In C++ now and delete operator are used for memory allocate and deallocate. This is called as a different between C and C++. C++ is a non-procedural object-oriented programming, and C is a procedural language. This is called as a C and C++, different between. And next, use of C++ language. How to use of C++ language? C++ is used by programmers to develop computer software. C++ is used by programmers to develop computer software. This is called as a C++ developer as a computer software. It is used to create generally system software. C++ it is used to create generally system software and developing computer software and creating use for system software. Used to build drivers for various computer software or various software or servers and softwares for specific application. Softwares or servers and softwares for specific application. Use in the create of video games in C++. In C++. Develop computer software in C++. Creating general system software in C++. Various computer softwares in C++. And software specific application and create of video games developing in C++. This is called as a using of C++ language. This is called as a C++ language. And next topic, advantage of C language. C++ is a relatively low level and is a system programming language. C++ is a relatively low level and is a system programming language. It is a large community in C++. It is a large community in C++. So many methods in C++. It has a relatively there and standard modularity in C++. Reusability and readability in C++. Reusability and readability in C++. This is called as a advantage of C++. Advantage of C++. And another disadvantage of C++. Data is a global or local. Data is a global or local. Data is a global or local. This is called a advantage. This is called a advantage and disadvantage. Data is a global or local. It is emphasis on instructions of data. It can be generally heavy if not carefully. It can be generally heavy if not carefully. Data is a global and global data does not have security. does not have security. Data is a global, and a global data does not have security in C++. This is called a disadvantage of C++. Data is a global and a local. Instructions of data emphasis on instruction, and generally heavy is not carefully. Data is a global, and global data does not have security. This is called a advantage and a disadvantage of C language. Standard libraries C++. Standard libraries C++. This C++ standard library can categorize into two parts. C++ standard library can categorize it. There are two parts. Number one, the standard function library. Number two, the object-oriented class library. First, the standard function library. The library consists of general purpose standard long function that are not part of any class. That functions library is inherited from C. The standard function library. The library consists of general purpose standard long function that are not part of any class. The function library is inherited from C, that called as a C standard function library. Number two, the object-oriented class library. The object-oriented class library. This is a collection of classes and associated function. Standard C++ library incorporates all the standard libraries also, with a small addition and change the support type safety. The object-oriented class library, this is a collection of a class and associated function. Collection of class and associated function. Standard C++ library incorporates all the standard libraries also, with small addition and change the support type safety. In this C++, there are two types: the standard function library, the object-oriented class library. This is called a standard library function in C++. Next topic, structures of C++. Structures of C++. Header file declaration functions. For example, you can write a simple C++ program. Top of the header files must and should, they will be write down top of the program first line. Header files declarations must and should. Action. A global declarations section, and class declarations and method declaration section. Class declaration sections and method declaration sections means function. Functions. Method declaration functions. Free programs, they will be declaration must and should. Every statement declarations and must and should in this C language, C++ programming language. C++ programming language. Declarations of methods, specify methods. Definitions action compulsory, we have to mention in this function. And next, objectives. Because familiar with the basic components of a C++ programming, the basic components of C++ programming, including functions, and next special symbol and identifiers. Depend on C programming, basically function including function declarations, must and should, and special symbol used for programming methods and identifiers. Special symbol is a addition, subtractions, multiplications, divided by, comma, full stops, semicolon, colons, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. This is called as a symbols. You can use for the programming methods. Identifiers is a including data types. Simple data types. In data types, C++ data types: integer, float, char, double, single. It's a data types. In the similar simple data types in C++. Discover who to use arithmetic operator. To use arithmetic operator is a mathematical operation. Addition, subtractions, multiplications, and divided by module. This is called arithmetic operators. For example, add sum of two digits program, simple program. Write a simple programs in C++, sum of two digits, arithmetic operator. Add sum of two digits, variable A value 10, variable B value 20, and store C. Store C and output also. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Give the sum of addition value 30 and store C. C also output. This is called a variable. Take variable value and use for operator. So operator means add, sum of add 2 digits, sum of add 3 digits, subtractions 2 digits, multiplications 2 digits, divided by or 2 digits. This is operator you can use for the program methods. This is the C++. Program evaluator arithmetic expenses. Expenses mean use for symbol. Operators use symbols. Symbols means addition, subtractions, multiplication. This is called as a arithmetic operator. Use for objectives, basic components of C programming including functions, special symbols and identifiers. And next, data types, arithmetic operator, evaluation, arithmetic expenses. Next topic. In the argument statement is and what is does. Assignment operator equal, not equal. This is called as statements in operators. Statements. Sum of value, assignment operator. Sum of value give the operates assignments. Because a familiar with the string data types. String means A to Z character, or small character, or big character, caps lock character, whatever may be. It's you can take with string data types. You can use char, A to Z char data type. discover how to input data into memory use input statement. Input data, every statement you can give the input data to memory use location statement. Input, for example, C++ input the they give the data input in C in, it's a input statement. C out, it's in output statement. C in is a input statement, give the any statement output result in C out. C in, it's a input statement, give the C in, it's a input statement. Input statement, it's a scan statement. It's a input statement, is scan statement. Output statement, you can give the result. It's a C in or C out. C out, it's a give the output result. C in a scan. Okay, it's a object assignment statement, string data types, input memory using statement, and similar increment and next topic, increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator is a, we have to write a natural number, print the natural number in C++ write down program. Increment operator. Increment operator is a plus plus. For example, give the natural number, print the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a natural number print. Give the increment operator plus plus. And decrement operator also. Decrement operator is a minus minus. Can give the reverse number print. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a decrement operator. Minus minus. It's a, give the reverse number. Decrement operator. Natural number, increment operator. Okay. This is called as a increment operator and a decrement operator, input statement, output statement, and assignment statement also in string data types. It's a character. Next one. To use preprocessor directive and they are necessary. To use preprocessor directory and the use necessary. Preprocessor means you can use write down in C programming top of the program, must and should. Preprocessor, it's a hash symbol. Preprocessor means hash symbol. Hash symbol, starting of the program. Starting of the program. It's a preprocessor directive and the necessary write down starting of the program. This is called a preprocessor. Its name is hash. Okay, right. How to properly structures a program, including use comment and document programs. Every programs and write down every program statements. You can write down comments every lines, right? For example, a small programs, they will be take a C++ a small programs, you can write down every lines, they will be take comments, means syntax. Comments must be write down easy and easily understanding. This is the comments including comments using document a program. Every program lines, they will be write down comment easy and understanding this program. This is called as a comments. Write a C programming, we have to write any programs, you can write down in comments. Easy and simple and simply process use understanding, easy understanding methods. This is called as a objectives. This is called as a objectives. Objectives, say assignment statement, string data types, input, output, increment, decrement, preprocessor, including comments. Write down a C program. And on next topic. Next topic. Next topic. The basic of a C programming. The basic of a C++ programming. The basic of a C++ programming. Function, collection of statement. Function, it's a collection of statement. When executed programs, something. Collection of statements, every data you can collection of statement in the write down statement functions. They maybe predefined functions or standard. This is called functions, collection of statement. Now, next one, collection of statement. Next one, syntax. A rules that specify which statement in instructions of large. Syntax, rules of specify which statement in instructions. Rules, we have to write any programs, you can write down any statements, specify statements, particular give the rules. Rules is a comment statements. Every line it's a comment statements in instructions. It's a syntax. Specify syntax. Syntax rules. And next one, programming language. A set of rules, symbols and specify words. Specify words means a keywords. Specify words, it's a keywords. A set of rules, symbols means discussions before topic. Symbols, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, addition, subtractions, multiplications, comma, full stops, semicolon, colon, single quotation, double quotation, less than, greater than. It's a symbols. You can use this symbol, you can use programs in C++. Special words, it's a keywords. Keywords, it's a C in, C out, for, wide, main, for, do, loop, int, float, char, double. It's a keywords. You can use mention in this some words, write down in programs. Programs you can use keywords. It's a programming language set of rules. Meaning of the instructions. This is called a meaning of the instructions. Instructions, you can write down any programs, give the instructions. So many instructions is there. In collection of data, collection of statement, you can write down, execute in this program, you may use for operator, whatever may be, we have to use in this instructions. And next, this is the C++. In route, in assignment statements, once again, assignment statement, string data types, input statement, output statement, increment and decrement statement, and functions, special symbols, identifiers, data types, arithmetic operator, and logical operator, and increment and decrement operator. This is called a operators in C language, including functions, special symbols, identifiers, arithmetic operators. Assignment statements, string data types, memory input statements and output statement, increment and decrement operator, output statement and input statement. This is called a objectives of in C++. And preprocessor is a program top of the use of hash symbol. It's a preprocessor. Necessary you can use in this program symbols. And properly structured programs including use comments. Every line you can write down increment operator, increment or decrement. Every programs you can write down in give the statements, comments. Can use easy understanding in this program. Every programs you can write comments. Every lines comments, line by lines you can write down comments easy understanding in these programs. It's a including using comment structures. Comment basically functions. Function is a collection of statements or predefined collection of data, collection of function methods, and syntax rules. Syntax rules is a that is specify which statement in instructions is a law. Specify statement rules, some types of rules. Last topic discussions. Statements. Which statements in instructions. Set of rules. Okay, set of rules. It's a comment. Write down any programs. You can line by line comments. Give the easy understanding. Programming language is a set of rules, symbols, and specify words. Symbols, C++, so more than symbols, and specify words. Use of programming in this word and symbols. Okay. Meaning of the instructions. Every program you can write down meaning of the programs. Instructions. Write down any programs you can use. Any program you can use in instructions, advantage and disadvantage. History of C and C++, different between C and C++, using of C++, advantage and disadvantage, and standard libraries in C++, and structures of C++. Objectives are very important. Objectives and basic of C++ programming. In these methods. You can use a simple and simply write a C++ programming. Use some functions. Give the statements. Main statements, header file functions, global declarations, class declarations, and main functions, and method different functions. Generally purpose of use in this function statement, declaration, and objective also. Basic of function, means basic of a C++ programming, and C++ operator also use in this program. And next class continue the next class. Thank you.